Hey guys, this is Craig. I'm going to keep it short and sweet and show you in less than 3 minutes how you can make money on the internet and what tools you can use and what tools I'm using. This is exactly the method I'm using. It's very easy. So without rambling, you need an ad, okay? You need an offer, and then you need a thank you page. That's just basically, that's the basics, okay? So where's the ad? There's the ad, okay? If it's on my YouTube channel, it's a 55-second video. You can see how much interaction I've had there already. I've already got sales, and I've already got leads coming in from all over the world. So you've got the ad, okay? So let's go back here. We've got the ad, and then we've got, so the ad can be a video or image, but in this day and age, videos work well, especially what we call short form videos or shorts, like you see on TikTok and YouTube has got shorts now. So you know, because people don't have a long attention span, so keep it sweet and short, okay? So we get to the point. So if I play the video, you'll see very short, very sweet. It's got labels. So how do I make the video? Okay, I use CapCut. Okay, you can go there. It's free. All right, go to capcut.com. That's free. You go in, you edit your video. It's very easy to use. And then once you've got your video, you upload it. Okay. So what's the next step? The next step is the offer. Okay. So let's go to the offer. So there's the offer. Okay. So when they on my video, there's a link somewhere. There's a link in the description, and there's also a link in the there's also a link when I'm playing the video. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long, but they'll see the link and they'll come to the offer, okay? And they enter their details. Well, this is not the offer, this is the squeeze page. So you can put a squeeze page between the ad and the offer. You can go straight to the offer, but then you don't get the email address. So what I do is I put a squeeze page between the ad and the offer, okay? So that I can get their email address, all right? So that I can keep marketing to them if they don't buy. Because if they go straight from the ad to the offer and they don't buy, then I've lost them, okay? But if I get the email address, I can continue emailing them and reminding them, you know, about the offer and why they should take action. And of course, show them other offers, because now I have the email address, which is very important, okay? So you can see in that video, if you caught that, there was a link to the squeeze page, okay? So when they enter their email address, they will then be taken, let me just pause that, they'll be taken to the offer, okay? So there's the actual offer, all right? So again, it's not my offer, but I'm getting paid 50% for life for everybody that purchases this offer, which shows them how to make money, okay? So you'll see all the way down, and then they pay, and then I get paid, all right? And so I'm showing you exactly how to do this, okay? So that's just one example. Here's another example. This is a weight loss funnel. So again, I've got a funnel. I'll have an ad and I'll have a funnel. The ad will be on TikTok and YouTube. You can repurpose all of these videos for TikTok, Instagram. So you make it once. So you make it once in CapCut, and then you upload it to your Instagram, to TikTok, to Facebook, to YouTube, and you're covering all the bases so that you get a bigger audience. Okay, so there's another funnel. Okay, when they click on it, so if I click on there, it takes them to an offer. Okay, so to the offer, there's the offer. It's loading up the video, and I get paid $25 every time someone purchases this. And this is a video. This is not my video. I didn't make it. So this is the power of making money online, right? You're selling products that are known to sell, that have got high conversion, okay? And you are getting paid a percentage. In some cases, you're getting paid as much as 90% of the actual value of the offer, which is amazing, right? So what do you need? You need Clickfunnels. So come up here and start your trial. You don't have to pay anything. No contracts. You can cancel anytime. If you cancel within 14 days, they don't charge you. And then these are some of the other offers. Again, I get paid $55 every time somebody buys this. I get paid $55 on this one as well. And it's all because I have these funnels. Okay, all of these these funnels that I just showed you, and I benefit from the expertise of other people. Okay, these funnels are easy to build. So what I'll give you all my funnels. Okay, so there's all these funnels that you see here. When you sign up, I give them all to you. This one is another example, but I've got a whole lot of funnels. Okay, and I'll be updating this. I'm still busy updating the spreadsheet. So once you have access to the spreadsheet, I'll be adding all the other funnels down here, and you have access to them. So you can see a whole lot of funnels. All you got to do is click on the link, and it'll pull. So once you sign up for Clickfunnels, it'll pull all these funnels into your Clickfunnels. And I mean, there's zero work for you to do. All you've got to do is, put everything together. It's very easy. Like I said, you just make the video with CapCut. All right, you can copy other videos. You put your link. You pull in your funnel that I've already given you. You just add your links instead of my links, and all of these will be given to you once you sign up. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys. It's very easy. Add, offer, and then thank you page, and then you can put in a squeeze page if you like, and then of course you can you get all my funnels when you sign up for Clickfunnels, and you can get going and start making money on the internet. That's it. Cheers.